Hey! Scarecrow here. Let's talk about FOMO. So, what is FOMO? FOMO, or fear of missing out, is a pervasive social anxiety characterized by the apprehension that others might be having rewarding experiences from which one is absent. It's the feeling that you're constantly missing out on something exciting or important that's happening elsewhere. Core characteristics of FOMO. Social anxiety. FOMO is rooted in social anxiety, stemming from the desire to be included and connected with others. Apprehension and worry. It involves a persistent feeling of worry or anxiety about missing out on potential opportunities or experiences. Constant comparison. FOMO often involves comparing oneself to others, particularly on social media, leading to feelings of inadequacy or dissatisfaction. Desire for constant connection. It fuels a need for constant connection with social media and other communication platforms to stay updated on what others are doing. Impulsive behavior. FOMO can lead to impulsive behaviors, such as overcommitting to social events or making unnecessary purchases. Negative impact on well-being. It can negatively impact mental and emotional well-being, leading to stress, anxiety, and depression. Factors contributing to FOMO. Social media. Social media platforms play a significant role in fueling FOMO by providing a constant stream of curated and often idealized glimpses into the lives of others. Information overload. The abundance of information and choices available can create a sense of overwhelm and anxiety about missing out on something important. Social pressure. The desire to fit in and be accepted by social groups can contribute to FOMO. Low self-esteem. Individuals with low self-esteem may be more susceptible to FOMO, as they may seek validation and acceptance from others. Perfectionism. The pursuit of perfection and the fear of making the wrong choices can exacerbate FOMO. Consequences of FOMO. Increased anxiety and stress. The constant fear of missing out can lead to chronic anxiety and stress. Decreased satisfaction. FOMO can diminish satisfaction with one's own life and experiences. Sleep deprivation. The need to stay constantly connected can disrupt sleep patterns. Reduced productivity. Constant distractions from social media and other platforms can reduce productivity. Impaired relationships. FOMO can lead to neglecting real-life relationships in favor of online connections. Financial strain. Impulsive purchases driven by FOMO can lead to financial problems. Coping strategies. Mindfulness and gratitude. Practicing mindfulness and focusing on gratitude can help to appreciate the present moment and reduce the desire for constant connection. Limit social media use. Setting boundaries for social media use can help to reduce exposure to idealized portrayals of others' lives. Focus on real-life experiences. Prioritizing real-life experiences and relationships can help to build a sense of connection and belonging. Set realistic expectations, recognizing that it's impossible to experience everything and that it's okay to miss out on some things. Develop self-awareness. Becoming aware of the triggers and patterns associated with FOMO can help to manage it effectively. Digital detox. Taking breaks from digital devices and social media can provide a sense of relief and perspective. FOMO is a complex phenomenon that can have a significant impact on individuals' lives. By understanding its causes and consequences, individuals can develop strategies to manage it effectively and prioritize their well-being.